could do us both a favor and pull the trigger?
Please try again.
Alright y'all, so I'm here with Nate. This is his LS Swap 300ZX, right? Yeah. Alright. So he's gonna go over his mods and stuff, and then we're gonna do a ride along and everything. So
oh, what's up everybody, man? I'm Nate. This is my 1995 300ZX 2+2. Had it for a while. The original motor, you know, it wasn't for me, so I decided to do, you know, the LS swap.
I can see you got carbon fiber. I like that. And then you got a custom. You can't really see, like, you can't see now because the sun is not hitting it, but you got a this is a custom paint job you got right here, and that he do himself. So
yeah, I do all paint work. You know, I did all the shave bit and everything. Took the wires inside the fenders and underneath the bumper and all that. But this is just a 5.3 LS1 mod, CX Racing radiator. You know, nothing too special for right now, but it's torquey for being a small car like this.
all right. And just let them know like what, like your future, what, because you're gonna drift it, right? Or
yeah.
you gonna?
Yeah, so it is a drift car. You know, I haven't put none of my camber arms on right now, but I do have them, so they are going to get installed. I just got the car back. It took a while, but you know, it's running fine, healthy, turns on fine, no issues. But
And like motor wise, do you have any work done to? It's no cam or nothing, huh?
no,
Okay.
It's just a stock. It's stock, honestly, just stock, rebuilt, just fully refreshed. That's it. That's all we did. That's all we decided to do for right now. Small cam, not big cam. Small cam for turbo. So that's what we're planning on doing. You know, that's why I opened all that space right there. There's that hole right there, so I could just fit a nice little turbo in there, man.
Oh yeah. All right, that'll be nice. Right there.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So hold on, let me get this. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and do a ride along for y'all right quick. And so you driving? Then you gonna let me? Then you gonna let me drive?
Yeah, I'm gonna let you drive.
I'm gonna go up the street. Yeah, I'm gonna go up the street and come back down. But yeah. All right. So go ahead and shout out to your Instagram.
Follow me at Instagram, the famous Nate, the __ famous Nate.
And then I'm gonna have it pop up here. And then if y'all need any paint work done or anything like this, he does all this. If you look, I'm gonna put some pictures up. That's what I'm gonna try to do, so y'all can see like the flakes and stuff that's in the paint. But do you have Instagram for that too, or not?
No, I don't have no Instagram for
okay.
my work.
All right.
You know, if you wanna hit me up for any paint work, just DM me, and that's where we go from.
All right. Well, let me get set up. I'm gonna go ahead. We're gonna get set up and do a ride along. Hey y'all, so we about to do he gonna start it up, give y'all some revs, and we gonna go ahead and go for a ride.
Hello, boy.
It's good, huh? So you got racing seats up in here, y'all can see. Let me turn these motherfuckers tight too.
Man, T56 reverse is insane. It's really hard to get in.
Where is it at? Because it looks like it's in the middle.
It's literally, you have to push, you feel a click, and it goes all the way up to the right.
I like the fact he got to push the start right there. little pull, like that it about to break my neck. It don't really need a cam, bro. Imagine if you had a cam in it, like.
That's insane. But when you drive it normal, it goes to second, man. Second
I like it. I ain't gonna lie. Like, if you put a cam in it, this thing it'd probably be crazy if you put a cam in it. Well, it'd be crazier. Yeah.
Full throttle.
That's just a little pull too. Yeah.
Second gear too. Just have to break it in. Yeah. Not yet one.
Oh, so you still like in like the break-in period? Oh, damn.
So that's why I didn't even floor it all the way.
Oh.
If I floor it, then we would have fucking went sideways.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
That's why I let it cool down for a little bit. Yeah. So reverse is step on the clutch, all the way, push it all the way. Yeah, you feel that little.
Right there?
Try it.
Alright, let's see if I can. Good on that, alright. Oh, start off in second?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, god damn.
Yeah, you can test her out a little bit.
Get on it a little bit right now.
Yeah, you can if you want. Can't even keep it straight, man. The GoPro. Right here? No, you're good.
So just leave it in neutral and I'm turning, or?
Yeah, I need to put it in a second. Yeah, like that.
I ain't gonna lie, this is kind of like
Fun.
Yeah, it's fun. I ain't gonna lie to you. I was trying to, I was about to downshift. That's what I was trying to do, though. Back there. Gotta go one more time?
Yeah. Go in the street, the main street. Or, you know what, go around one more time, come out here, and just go straight down and turn. So it's actually a 6-speed. This trans, yeah.
Which transmission is it?
It's a T56.
Also, it comes in a GTO and...
Yeah. So this one again. Well, when you're driving, it's all right.
Yeah.
But when you're like just chilling, that's when it's tough.
Brake a little bit.
Ah, you're good, dude.
Like, cause I feel like I need to go do some push-ups.
So second.
Wait to right here?
Yeah.
I like that.
You should be good. Yeah, hold it. Okay. What's the feeling? Nah, it's not that.
It's like, I don't know how to explain it.
I guess you guys just said, you could have adjusted.
Yeah, because it's honestly kind of easy to drive, to be honest with you. Besides the grinding, I mean, but other than that, it's kind of easy to drive. But I ain't do too bad saying I ain't drove a manual in a long time. It's been a while.
That second pull, it's just, it kind of dog on you, right?
Yeah. But then I don't know when to I didn't know when to shift it either. Like, and I know when I had one, I just listened to it and then I'm like, okay, shift. But I like it, man. I like that. That's different. All right, I'm gonna close this video. All right, y'all. So that'll be it for this video. Make sure I'm gonna have all his social media down below. If y'all looking to get something done paint wise and stuff, make sure y'all hit him up. If you want to
like and subscribe, bro. Yeah, like and subscribe, bro.
all right, there we go.